Theorem number 1, ratio of areas of two triangles. The statement, the ratio of area of two triangles. Here two triangles are triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of their base and corresponding height. That means in triangle ABC, BC is the base and AD is the height. In triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. This is given. We need to prove the ratio of areas of two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, like this, is equal to the product of their base and corresponding height. Triangle ABC has BC as base and AD as height, so BC into AD upon triangle PQR has QR as base and PS as height, so QR into PS. In exam, if they ask, only the statement will be given, the diagram, the naming given to prove and proof. Everything the student has to do, only the statement will be given. This theorem, if they are asking, it is of 2 to 3 marks. Generally this theorem is so easy that might not be asked, but you never know. Let's start with the proof. In the beginning of the proof, we should start with the formula of area of triangle. Since we know that instead of we know that, you can write as we know, area of triangle equal to half into base into height, and that is formula. Therefore, one by one we will write area of triangle. Don't forget to put therefore, and therefore will never come in margin. It will come always on the right side of the margin. So, area of first triangle, the triangle ABC, ABC will be half into base is BC into height is AD. Mark it 1. In triangle and triangle PQR, PQ, area of triangle PQR equal to half into base is QR and height is PS. We'll mark it as 2. We got areas of both the triangle. Now we need to find the ratio. For that we have to divide them. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. If you divide the left side of two segments, we have to divide the right side of the same two equation. Left side of the equation are divided, so the right side of the equation also we have to divide. So half into BC into AD, half into QR into PS. Reason, dividing one by 2. Therefore, only half will get cancelled. You don't have to show this cancellation. Okay? If you are showing, you can show with pencil that you are cancelling this. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS, and this we have proved as we required, right? So we have to just write hence proved. This is first theorem. of chapter 1 similarity.